kitchen.
Today we want to make Iranian green tea together.
It is usually served after the main meal.
Green tea is very popular as a healthy and traditional drink in Asian countries, especially China and Japan.
Oh no, you said Japan. I remember a Gilaki sentence. Gilaki is a dialect of Iran province, but sometimes it seems to those who are not familiar with our dialect that we speak Japanese. Like when we say, whose child are you? Which in Gilaki dialect becomes Tukizaki. It is very interesting for us to know whether this Gilaki sentence has a meaning in Japanese or not.
If any of you are fluent in Japanese, please leave us a comment. Kopole, Tukizaki. Kopole zaken.
Stay with us.
For preparing green tea, we need
Boiling water and green tea. But for having a new taste, we can add a cinnamon stick or cardamom. Add a teaspoon of green tea to every cup. And add some cinnamon stick. Finally, add the boiling water. Put the lid and wait for about 5 minutes. Remove the lid and tea waste container. The green tea is ready.
Can I drink it with nuts? I don't think so.
No, Kopolak, you can drink it with dark chocolate, dried berries, dates, or raisins.
Oh, okay. It's not usual, but I try it.
Good boy.
Now it's time to drink.
Oh, please wait a minute to be cold.
Okay.